The Discovery Sport is fully equipped with a variety of on-road technology. The active driveline offers true torque vectoring, transferring torque between the rear wheels when cornering. This, combined with torque vectoring by braking, which monitors steering inputs, and dynamic stability control, ensures optimum grip, traction, and composure at all times. The intelligent suspension architecture, combined with the adaptive dynamic system, constantly monitors and adjusts to the road conditions, ensuring the perfect balance between comfort and control at all times. The Discovery Sport has up to 6 pre-configured driving modes to suit the terrain and your driving preferences. Dynamic mode delivers a more responsive, sportier drive. And with Configurable Dynamics, you have the ability to customize the driving character, such as throttle mapping, gear shift points, suspension, and steering. The Sport Shift Selector allows you to connect directly with the exhilarating driving experience, enhancing the sport feel even further. There is a vast choice of advanced all-wheel drive, lightweight and efficient engines, which come with the responsive 9-speed automatic transmission. Complementing several of these engines is MHEV, or mild hybrid technology. The system harvests energy from deceleration and redeploys it to assist the powertrain upon acceleration, making the vehicle cleaner and more fuel efficient. Ingenious versatility, contemporary design, combined with legendary Land Rover capability. The new Land Rover Discovery Sport.